times it so happens that most of the people whom I know do tell me that they are struggling with a lot of relationship issues. Sometimes they're struggling at home, sometimes they're struggling with the professional relationship they have with their colleagues and the bosses. क्या होता है कि sometimes toxic environment जो होता है, which is very bad by the way, of course, for our health, mental and physical both. So it affects our thought processes, it affects our entire nervous system. But before we realize it, it's almost too late. It's like हमें फिर से अपने आप को pull up करना पड़ता है, and it takes a lot of courage and a lot of strength and also a lot of knowledge. And that's why this video I thought will help you out in that terms. So let me break down. Most of the times you must have noticed the negative voices become louder, which tells you how bad, right, this all really looks, or how worst this has happened, or it brings in a lot of self-doubt, lot of fear of judgment of other people, right? So this is a very natural response of our brain in toxic stress. But staying with this will not help you. You need to shift your perspective from self-doubt that is creeping in to self-empowerment. Yes, I know it is not easy, you will say, so you can take your time, but know this, that sooner you shift, the better, as it will save your energy. Trust me, I know how draining this can be, and this really can get worse if you are a woman who is in this space right now, which is really bad, unpleasant and toxic, I must say, and it's troubling you. You can't sleep better, you can't eat better. So just note these 3 things for now. I will tell you in just a bit. This will help you in making that first shift. Listen carefully. The first step is stabilize. Deep breathe for just 15 minutes slowly. Inhale and exhale without a pause. This exercise will definitely help you to stabilize. This might sound very easy, too simple, but trust me, it is very, very effective. Once you do it, you will see the effect by yourself. And here is the second one, okay? One is a little more thoughtful practice where you segregate your thoughts from facts. Your thoughts are not facts. Just remember that, okay? तो 2 कॉलम बनाइए पेज पर, एक थॉट्स का और एक बनाइए फैक्ट्स का. कोई भी सिचुएशन हुई है, आपके थॉट्स क्या हैं और एक्चुअली फैक्ट क्या है. Just be honest and write it down. You don't have to prove it to anybody, anything. This is just a list for you to have that clarity. Third is identify the hurtful words such as useless, pathetic, right? Must have heard. Many people do say this in conversations when they're angry. Ask yourself to look for evidence which proves this. Did you never succeed at anything in the past? And did you never help anyone at all? You will see that there is more evidence to prove it otherwise. You are useful. You are not pathetic at all. So here's my question to you. If I said you that today is 1st January 2026, would you believe me? If not, then why? Why will you not believe me? You will give me 100 reasons to prove that I am wrong, right? Then what stops you from doing that when you see the negative voices becoming louder in your head? Is it really others or the circumstances around you? Or it is something within you that needs to shift and change? To actually, change your situation, it demands that you change something within. Keep following for more such insights, and I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end.